If you've ever wanted to combine cells in Lucidchart, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Lucidchart step by step so you can clean up your tables, improve readability, and make your diagrams look more organized in just a few clicks. This is a super useful trick if you're building process maps, reports, comparison tables, or any layout that needs a more polished structure. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Lucidchart document and find the table you want to edit. To start the process, click directly on the table on the canvas so it becomes active and highlighted. This is important because Lucidchart needs to know which table you want to work on before it shows the right editing options. Once the table is selected, move your attention to the cells you want to combine. You can click and drag across the adjacent cells you want to merge, which is the fastest method if the cells are right next to each other. If you prefer, you can also click the first cell, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last cell. That will select a range of cells for you. Now that your cells are highlighted, look to the far right side of the screen. This is where Lucidchart usually places the formatting and properties controls. Find the table icon or the contextual table menu and click it. This opens the table formatting options, which is where the merge feature lives. Inside the table settings, look for the merge icon. When you click it, Lucidchart will instantly combine the selected cells into one larger cell. That's really all there is to it. In just a moment, your separate cells become one unified space, which is perfect for headers, labels, or any section that needs extra room. If you don't see the merge option right away, make sure the cells are actually selected and that you clicked into the table itself. A lot of people miss that first step and think the feature is missing, when really the table just isn't active yet. So if something doesn't appear, reselect the table, highlight the cells again, and check the right-hand panel one more time. Also, keep in mind that merging cells is great for formatting, but you'll want to be careful not to merge anything that contains separate important data unless you're sure it should be combined. If needed, plan your layout first so you don't have to undo changes later. And that's it. You now know how to merge cells in Lucidchart quickly and easily. This simple step can make your tables look much cleaner and more professional. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.